Hi, I'm Clint Grimes, and I'm about to give you 10 indicators that your exercise program is working. Let's do it. Number 1, your consistency improves. This can vary based on the person, and it doesn't need to be a hard workout either. It's more about creating a habitual spot for movement in your life and then continuing to meet that on a regular basis. Creating that regularity is a definite sign of progress. In fact, consistency is perhaps the most important element in reaping any benefits from fitness whatsoever. Number 2, when you skip a day, you miss it. Again, the workouts don't have to be intense or even formal. Sometimes it's just 10 minutes of mobility work or walking. But you'll know your fitness routine is paying off when you don't quite feel right without incorporating something physical. This isn't the same feeling as guilt or shame if you miss a workout. Rather, it's a craving for movement that brings a sense of contentment when fulfilled. Number 3, your endurance is improving. When you first start or return to working out, a 10-minute walk, bike, or jog might leave you short of breath or dripping with sweat. With time, presenting your body with manageable challenges causes all sorts of adaptations. Consistent aerobic exercise strengthens your heart muscles so it can deliver more oxygen-rich blood throughout your body with each pump. Your muscles in turn sprout more tiny capillaries through which the nourishing fluid flows. Number 4, you stand up straighter and move more fluidly. If your spine and joints aren't in the proper position, you may feel imbalanced. For instance, noticing that you can twist your back farther to one side than the other. Your range of motion may seem limited. Not only does good posture reduce pain and improve motion, it can also make you feel better too. It's great for confidence, it's great for presence and awareness. Number 5, you have more energy. Yes, there's sometimes a benefit in pushing yourself a little bit beyond your comfort zone in a workout, and that can leave you feeling tired for a little bit. But over time, a successful workout program will actually decrease your overall fatigue. The fitter you get, the more mitochondria sprout inside your muscle cells. These tiny powerhouses convert glucose and oxygen into fuel, powering your body along. Number 6, you're happier. Scientists once believed compounds called endorphins produced the type of euphoria after exercise, sometimes called runner's high. Study after study has shown exercise provides a mood boost during and after a session, both for people with depression and similar disorders and those without. If you're consistent over time, you can likely notice even more stabilization of your mood. Physical activity can be part of an effective plan to manage mood disorders. Number 7, you're mentally sharper. This can pay off in an improved ability to think, learn, and remember, and may encourage the growth of new brain cells and protect you from neurologic diseases like Alzheimer's. Working out relieves stress, which can leave you calmer, kinder, and more focused. It gives you more clarity at work and more mental space for connecting with your family and friends. Number 8, you're stronger. Here's one instance in which it would be really helpful to track weight. That is, the weight of the dumbbell you're able to pick up or the kettlebell you could swing. In a progressive strength training program, you'll gradually be able to do the same moves with a heavier load. Keep in mind, though, that what you want to see is an upward trend over time. You don't necessarily have to go heavier each and every time you lift. Number 9, you can harness your new strength and stamina in many scenarios. While throwing around heavy things in the gym can be impressive and empowering, what's even more meaningful is being able to use that force in everyday activities. You might be able to carry your daughter, who's 30 pounds, for an hour through the zoo. Carrying baskets of laundry up and down the stairs may become easier, or you may have the energy to play with your kids for a few hours when you didn't have the energy before. Number 10, you're making other positive lifestyle changes too. There are other habits that also influence these measures of cardiovascular health, including the food you eat and the amount of sleep you get. Often locking into a fitness routine encourages you to start optimizing other factors, aiming to give your body what it needs to feel and perform its best. This type of shift isn't the same as being restrictive. Rather, it's about finding what helps keep you focused on long-term health and fitness. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to find out 10 foods that have more protein than an egg. That's it. That's all. See you next time.